And welcome to my latest unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy, I never do this right. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's not. Whoa, I do not think I bought this. Whoa, I don't think I bought this. What is this? I don't think I bought any. Oh, okay, never mind. I did buy this. I just didn't know what it was. So this is like a guitar plectrum. Interesting. All right. Okay. So this is what I bought. I bought 2 batteries, and I believe that one of these batteries is for the iPhone 6 SE. Don't quote me on that. And this one is supposed to be for this iPhone here, the iPhone 5. And I'm hoping that if that's the case, I can bring this awesome phone back to life. And the reason why I say it's an awesome phone is sometimes, even though it's old tech, it works more stably than the newer tech. It's less buggy. It messes up less. So sometimes I like the old technology a little bit better than the newer one. Anyway, it's got a whole bunch of cool things here. I'm sure I'm going to need some of it, but I did not expect all of this extra stuff to come in. I knew that I was going to need some of this stuff for the opening of the iPhone and the maintenance of the iPhone, but I didn't know that it would have something like a plectrum that you could play the guitar off of. Right. Anyway, interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.